Refuelers! Craig Mackay here from the Refuel team, just heading down south down the A9 from the Highlands to Broxburn and up Hall to launch the West Lothian filling station, the new filling station down there for their launch tonight. And you know, I'm not an anxious guy normally, but I got a little flutter of anxiety as I'm heading down the road, trying to hold down a day job, and all the stuff that life throws at you. And I kind of got the question, am I doing enough to make sure people know that this summer's refuel is free, and that all families can attend for free, and that, you know, every church can attend for free? And you know, the answer I told myself was no, I'm not doing enough, and life is getting in the way of that, and that little flutter of anxiety wasn't nice. So I'm going to ask you, while I'm driving down the A9 today, could those that know me, if you're a church leader, if you're coming to Refuel, if you've been to Refuel before, if you're coming this year, or even if you're not coming but you support what we're trying to do, that John 17:23 demonstration of unity across the nation, if you believe in that like we do, and the simplicity of just gathering together for free, worshipping, praying, and just having a holiday together, if you believe in that, would you do me a favour and give me a little hand today, that if I can't be on my phone or emailing and writing letters, could you just give the Refuel page a little share? Would you just, you know, use the I am going to Refuel banner on your page? Would you, you know, speak to your church? Would you ask us for a PowerPoint slide that we can give you for your church this Sunday? Yeah, because I have to say, that little flutter of anxiety wasn't nice, and I have to say I'm not doing enough. Yes, the Holy Spirit will do what I can't, and the Lord always delivers, but He does ask that I do my bit and that we as a team do our bit. So really, just to call it to you, would you do me a little favour today, folks and friends? If you're coming to Refuel, say you are on your Facebook page. If you believe in us, give us a little share, and just give us a little hand to let the nation and beyond Scotland know that this festival of faith, this holiday together, is available for them this summer on the fields of Gordon Castle for free. So please, if you can help us, I'd be much obliged. Craig on the A9, signing out with another sports mixture. I've had far too many of them already. Bye bye.